Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter inline-6 turbo with EcoBoost, pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This one does come with 19-inch twin 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. On the interior, we've got a black MB Tex, sunroof, plenty of space in the back, also a third row seat. Coming around back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a brand new set of floor mats, fold down third row seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a dark gray linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our new touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, two 12.3 high resolution monitors for your instrument cluster and your media display. Also new to our media display is now a touchscreen. We've got navigation, a rear view backup camera. Also, this one does come with MBUX. You can give it voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes! Hey, my Mercedes!
How may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands while driving. We've got dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB ports, cup holders, our new touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has very low mileage. It has 5,089 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.